Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a close look at the Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum, model 3437F. Bissell's CleanView lineup has built a solid reputation for offering reliable, user-friendly vacuums at an affordable price point. And this model, designed specifically for apartments and dorms, continues that tradition. But does it live up to the hype, or does it fall short? Let's find out together. The Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum boasts a design that blends the convenience of a compact size with the power of a full-sized vacuum. Weighing in at just 10 pounds, this vacuum is lightweight, which makes it a breeze to carry and maneuver around tight spaces. It's not just about portability, though. It still promises solid suction power, and the technology inside is engineered to make light work of dust, dirt, and debris on both carpets and hard floors. If you're in a smaller living space and need something that can handle both large messes and everyday cleaning, this could be a great fit. Key features include the quick-release extension wand, which makes cleaning both on and above floors easier, and scatter-free technology, designed to reduce the mess left behind when cleaning hard floors. But does it live up to these claims when put to the test in real-world situations? Let's dive into the specifics and see how well it performs on the ground. One of the most important factors when buying a vacuum is its suction power, and the Bissell CleanView doesn't disappoint here. On carpets, it picks up embedded dirt with ease, and while it's not as powerful as some high-end models, it's more than enough for everyday use in smaller apartments or dorms. The suction is strong enough to handle dust and debris on rugs without leaving behind any remnants. On hard floors, the scatter-free technology shines by capturing messes without scattering them around, which is a big plus when dealing with things like cereal or pet food crumbs. The suction does a solid job of lifting pet hair too, which is an important consideration for pet owners. Filtration is always an essential factor, especially for those with allergies, and this vacuum features a multi-level filtration system designed to trap dust and allergens. While it's not a HEPA filter, the CleanView does a reasonable job of keeping allergens contained, which is more than enough for most households. It's not the top of the line, but it does what it promises. The CleanView's dust bin is spacious enough to handle multiple cleaning sessions, but keep in mind it may need emptying after a thorough cleaning, especially if you're tackling larger debris. The bin is easy to remove and empty, a nice touch that reduces the hassle of maintenance. The vacuum itself is fairly easy to maintain. Cleaning the filter is straightforward, and there's no need for bags, which saves you money in the long run. In terms of noise, the Bissell CleanView is quieter than many other uprights in its class, which makes it a good choice if you're sensitive to sound or live in a shared space. It's certainly not silent, but it won't disturb your entire household while cleaning. As for maneuverability, the Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo is easy to steer. The lightweight design ensures it moves smoothly around furniture and obstacles, and it has a decent reach with its 25-foot cord, allowing you to clean larger rooms without constantly switching outlets. The quick-release extension wand adds extra flexibility, making it easier to clean those harder-to-reach spots, like the tops of shelves, baseboards, and even your car's interior. Testing it in real-world scenarios, the CleanView handles cleaning in tight spaces with ease. It's light enough to quickly move between rooms and up and down stairs, and its performance on carpets is good for light to medium dirt. However, if you're dealing with thick carpet piles, you may notice it doesn't have the deep cleaning power of more premium models. When it comes to long hair, the brush roll does a decent job, but it may need occasional maintenance to prevent tangling. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo is lightweight, easy to maneuver, and has powerful suction for its size. It performs well on both carpets and hard floors, making it versatile for small apartments or dorms. The scatter-free technology is also a significant benefit for cleaning up without making more mess. On the downside, its power isn't quite on par with more expensive, heavy-duty vacuums. So if you're dealing with deeply embedded dirt or heavy pet shedding, you might want to look elsewhere. The lack of a HEPA filter could be a deal breaker for those with severe allergies. Also, while the bin is roomy, you may still find yourself emptying it after each full cleaning session. When it comes to value for money, the Bissell CleanView offers a solid balance of performance and price. It's not the cheapest vacuum out there, but considering its power, ease of use, and the fact that it's designed for smaller spaces, it offers good value for its price. Competing vacuums in the same range may offer similar performance, but many lack the specialized features like scatter-free technology or the portability that this model offers. If you're comparing this to other vacuums in a similar price range, like the Shark Navigator or Hoover Wind Tunnel, the Bissell CleanView comes out on top in terms of maneuverability and ease of use, especially for small spaces. However, those models may offer slightly better suction on carpets, especially when it comes to thicker rugs or heavy debris. Build quality on the Bissell CleanView is solid for a vacuum in this price range. The plastic doesn't feel as premium as some higher-end models, but it's sturdy enough for regular use. The design is practical and the weight doesn't become a burden, even during longer cleaning sessions. Maintenance is straightforward, and the vacuum's filter and brush roll are easy to clean, ensuring it remains in good condition for a long time. In terms of longevity, Bissell vacuums are generally known for their durability, and while we don't have long-term data specific to this model, it's fair to expect it to last several years with proper care. Bissell's reputation for customer service is solid, and they offer a 2-year limited warranty, which should give you peace of mind. Final thoughts. The Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo is a great choice for apartment dwellers, dorm residents, or anyone in need of a lightweight, efficient vacuum that can tackle everyday messes without taking up too much space. It's not the most powerful vacuum out there, but it offers excellent value for the price. If you don't need the heavy-duty suction power of more expensive models and prioritize convenience, portability, and affordability, this vacuum should serve you well. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future reviews. Thanks for tuning in to Reviewsinsidetv. And remember, just because you live in a small space doesn't mean your vacuum has to be small on performance. See you next time!